Standing in front of the Harris 230 Sunliner Swingback Edition. Let's get aboard and check this baby out. We have a gorgeous, gorgeous helm, offset gauges, Lowrance fish graft, JL stereo head. We also have an excellent spot here for storage. One upgraded feature that I really like is this built-in table. This is perfect for snacks when you're at the sandbar, holding drinks, anything that you may need. Coming into the back of the boat, our swing back is multi-position, so we can go forward and we can also go back, and we can even lay it down into a bed if we choose. I love this feature. There's lots of storage underneath the cushion here, built-in cooler underneath that far cushion. This boat is definitely a must-see. For additional information, visit our website at wilsonboats.com.